Hello everyone, it's CRISPR Man again. The first story is about how CRISPR was used to make beer without hops. Hops are the flowers of the hop plant and are used to add flavor to beer. Unfortunately, they can be very expensive to grow and transport. Scientists at UC Berkeley tried to resolve this problem by using CRISPR to create a hop-like flavor without using actual hops. Charles Denby and Rachel Lee inserted mint and basil genes combined with yeast genes into the brewer's yeast genome with CRISPR. They made 48 different flavors of beer. When experts tasted the beer, they reported that the CRISPR-modified beer was even more hoppier and flavorful than the regular created beer. Next, the controversial CRISPR paper has been rescinded. A long time ago, I reported a story on a paper that had been published that seemed to suggest that CRISPR had hundreds of unintended mutations, which would mean that CRISPR is more risky than it is rewarding. The paper was controversial when it was released, facing criticism from many prominent CRISPR scientists. In spite of this, many people believed the paper, and the stocks of all three major CRISPR companies, CRISPR Therapeutics, Editas, and Intellia, dropped rapidly. However, the authors of the paper were not able to replicate their own results and have released a statement saying, and I quote, CRISPR-Cas9 editing can precisely edit the genome at the organismal level and may not introduce numerous unintended off-target mutations. Obviously, the authors of the paper made a mistake with their test and found a controversial result and wanted to publish it as fast as possible before actually verifying the results. The final story is that CRISPR will not be regulated by the USDA. The USDA, which is the United States Department of Agriculture, has released a statement saying that CRISPR-edited crops will not be regulated. The organization stated that they assessed CRISPR and determined that there was no risk present, but they will still be evaluating products developed using modern biotechnology. However, this is only in the US. Europe and China, both of which are very large markets, have not yet decided or declared whether they will regulate CRISPR's edited crops or not. Well, that's enough for today. See you next time. CRISPR Man, out.